Right, if you've seen the chickweed video, which you probably have by now, the dandelion salve will be very similar. What you need to do is pick around about 25 dandelion heads, and then you need to leave them for a while so that the moisture can evaporate from them. They contain an awful lot of water, moisture, and if you were to put that straight into oil, it would go rancid because the moisture content wouldn't mix with the oil, and then it would just go horrible. So you need to pick them and then leave them either outside if it's not raining, or inside on a windowsill if it is, just to let the moisture evaporate a little bit. They'll go a bit limp, but that's absolutely fine. That's because some of the moisture is evaporated. Also gives any little buggies that are on them a chance to escape before getting infused in oil. And so once that's happened, after about 12 hours, you could pick them in the evening, leave them overnight, or pick them in the morning and then come back to them in the evening. You need to pop them into a clippy jar like this, a jam jar, anything that's airtight, and then you need to add about 1.5 cups of sunflower oil, olive oil. Don't use extra virgin olive oil because it's better drizzled neat over salads. It's got quite a strong smell, and it's just a waste. It's just a waste, really. If you've got light olive oil, I use the light in colour one. That's quite nice to use. Or as I say, any sunflower oil, whatever you've got. Not out the deep fat fryer. But yeah, about 1.5 to 2 cups of oil on top of the sunflowers, and then just give them a shake. Pop them somewhere dark, and then you need to shake them every day for about 2 weeks. But what I'm going to do is I will do a pinned post with all the instructions, or a PDF or something that you can refer to that's got all those instructions on it. And that's all ahead of something else very exciting that's coming up, which I will explain in another video very shortly. See you later.